What's going down, Creased fam? Back for part 2. This is the Creased podcast. I'm Trey Treasy. Y'all have already seen this pair right here, so I'm going to get this one out the way. We're going to focus on this one right here today. This is the Dunk vs. Air Force 1 pack via Nike and Undefeated, as y'all have seen already. This pair right here is actually also an 11.5. But yeah, let's get into this. Alright, let's get into these. These are a fire pair of shoes by Undefeated. As you can see, the Nike on the back here with the Undefeated logo. These might bring back some memories if you're an Air Force 1 aficionado. It matches the 2006 Inside Out pack. There was a pack called On Your Feet Kid was the theme for the Air Force 1. These match that to a T, so that's pretty dope. The only difference is there's some suede on the back. I love that you get yellow laces with these. These are hard. But yeah, it's like the lemon frost Canteen type of colorway here. This is called the Canteen colorway, but you do get the lemon frost swoosh along the side, which is obviously hard to beat. You get all kind of textures up here on the front. The yellow laces, like I said, those gotta go. I think those are the answer for sure. But all these textures on the front, this textured leather right here on the toe box it feels like it might peel away, but it's not. It's very good. The knit cloth right here throughout the throughout the eyelets and the rest of the toe, very sick. Love this right here. Does gives it like a nostalgic look. Old school, you get leather across the back and on the swoosh, but you definitely get like a nostalgic look. Comes with the Canteen laces, Nike across the back with a little rough suede on the heel. I like that a lot. Dunk vs. Air Force 1, just like inside the Air Force 1 on the insole. So that's really dope. And of course, brown on the outsole. I'm happy they did those right and didn't mess that up, because I really do like that. Yeah, overall you get the Undefeated branding on the tongue as well as on the side of the heel, as I mentioned, just like the Air Force 1 as well. I will say I do like this shoe a little bit more than the Air Force 1, although that one was super fire also. But overall, I just feel like they did a great job. Love all this right here. I mean, this is reminiscent of old SBs and stuff like that could go in any era. So I really do think Undefeated did a great job on this pair. So yeah, man, really appreciate y'all sticking around, checking out these Undefeated Canteens. Thanks again for stopping by, checking in with the Creased Podcast unboxing. We really appreciate it. Go follow us at creased.podcast on IG. We'll catch y'all next time. Peace.